Hi, this is Victor with Vezbi, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create tasks. So first thing you want to do is open up your main dashboard. That's this button right in the middle with the four circles, the four different colored circles. Just go ahead and click that. Now from here, you want to scroll down, and on the bottom right hand corner, you see it says New Tasks. So go ahead and open that. Now I have one right here created. It's telling me I need to create Vezbi how-to videos. Okay, so we're gonna start all over, and this is really good. Pretty much anyone can use this feature, and it's really useful. I'm talking from college students getting together to work on a project, business owners, and if they want to assign tasks to their staff, you can use this. If whatever it is, if you're planning a party and you and your friends want to get together, or a potluck or something, and you want to let everybody know what to bring, like you bring the plates, you bring the sodas, you bring the food, you can do everything on task, and you can assign things to everyone. So it's very useful, and I'm gonna give you a quick example on how it works. Okay, so you're gonna hit the board button right here, and that'll let you to add a new task to the board. So for this, I'll put we'll just put school project. Or you know what? We'll do, school project. Okay, notes, school project. We'll put the bottle rocket. It's something I did when I was in middle school. We had to make bottle rockets. So bottle rocket for notes. Add a label. I'm gonna go ahead and make this one green, and choose, and there you go. Submit. Now, let's say me and someone else is working on this together. So let's say me and Mr. Joyful, we're both working on this project together. It's a team project. So it's right here, school project. Click on the arrow. It'll open up the notes, bottle rocket. And from here, you can add lists. So I can put purchase supplies, submit, and then you're going to see right there, see, purchase supplies. So me and him are going to divide the supplies that need to be purchased. So then just add task, and due date, let's say today is the 27th. We need to have everything ready by the 29th. That's the day we're going to actually sit down and build this thing together. So I'll select that as the date, enter title, put by rocket. Actually, we just need to buy 2-liter sodas. Okay, there you go. So buy 2-liter sodas, and I'm gonna assign it to Mr. Joyful, and then submit. And there you go. So he needs to go buy the 2-liter soda. And I'm going to add another task. And then I'm going to let him know that I'm going to buy the rocket launching station. And again, I need it by the 29th. Assign it to me. This way he knows what I'm doing and what he's doing. So you see, you can assign little tasks. Now, whenever he's done, he can go ahead and check his. So let's say I already bought what I needed to buy. Check. So he has access to the same task, the same list that I do. So he can go ahead and see that I've already purchased my part, and he needs to go ahead and take care of his. So again, you can do this not only for school projects, but even for if you want your staff to, let's say, if you own a restaurant and you want someone to clean the windows, you can assign the person that's going to clean the windows and give them a to-do list for that day. And this other person will mop the floors and give them that to-do list, and so on and so forth. So you can do this every day or every week, and just let them know, like, hey, these are the things they need to get done every week, or at the end of every day, at the end of every shift, or in the morning. And just have everybody do it. And then you can go back, you can check, you can see who's done what, who's done it, who hasn't done it. Maybe they're busy and they haven't had a chance, but at least they know that they have to get to it at some point. So it's really good. It's very useful. It's very easy, as you could see. And you could add more notes here. You can add a list. You can add a different list. So you could have like a morning list. So for here, I could put, let's say this is for my staff. I could put morning, and in the morning they need to take care of these tasks. And again, you can just create tasks over and over again, like, okay, you do this and that, assign it to this person, it's due by this date, and just like that. It's really, really easy, very useful. It's one of my favorite tools on the app, and it's good for everyone. Again, even if just family getting together, if you're going to have family over and you want someone to bring pie and you want this other person to bring the wine, you can do everything right here, and just keep track of who's got it, who hasn't gotten it. Somebody cancels, someone else is going to have to pick up that part for them. So yeah, it's very useful task. Here, I'll do another example. So for this one, I'll put a Christmas party. Okay. And for notes, just kind of let them know what this is about. So I'm just going to put who brings what. Add label. I'll make this one, let's see, a little darker green. It's Christmas tree. And submit. Now for this, let me go ahead and invite my family. So I'm going to invite, let's say Jose, Mr. Joyful, Lisa. This is my family, okay? So they're all part of it. And then from here, I can do, so add a list. So let's say food. Okay. And so let's say I want Mr. Joyful to bring a turkey. And I mean, the due date's going to have to be Christmas. So we'll just do, say the 24th. Done. And assign to Mr. Joyful. And there you go. Task created. See, turkey right there. And then wine. I'm going to have Jose bring the wine. And then, again, due date will be the 24th. Done. And that's, well, let's see. Yeah, he's going to bring the wine. Done. And then I want Lisa to bring pie. 24th, done. There you go. So everyone knows their part. Everyone knows what they have to bring. Let's not forget myself. I'm going to bring, I'll bring, let's see, what can I bring? Mashed potatoes. There. So everybody knows what to bring. You can add more tasks. Again, you can minimize it, and then you can just come back and check it. People can write comments on it, and we can have a full little conversation here. It's like group chat almost, just through comments. You can add attachments too. Like, let's say if Jose's bringing the wine, he goes shopping for wine, and he takes a picture of a few different bottles of wine, takes some pictures. He wants to let us know, like, hey, would you prefer a white wine or a red wine? Something sweet, something a little bit more tart. Just let us know, and we can have a little vote right there as a family. And there you go. And then if everybody's getting their pieces, we just go ahead and check each one ourselves, letting everybody know that we've got everything ready. So let's say it's the 23rd and someone hasn't checked their piece. We can check in with them and say, hey, everything good? Maybe they've been down with a cold. They'll be ready for the Christmas party, but they haven't been able to go shopping. Maybe I have some time. I can go ahead and take care of their part for them. So, working as a team, it's really good for that. And that's pretty much it. That's Task. It's a very useful tool. Anyone can use it. Everyone should use it for anything within the family, a business, a school project, whatever it is. It's very useful to keep you and your people organized. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you on the next video.